Once two friends were walking through the forest. They knew that anything dangerous could happen to them anytime in the forest. So they promised each other they would remain united should they face danger. Suddenly, they saw a large bear approaching them. One of the friends immediately climbed a nearby tree. But the other one did not know how to climb. Led by his common sense, he laid down on the ground and pretended to be a dead man. The bear came near the man lying on the ground. It whispered something in his ears before slowly leaving the place. Now the friend on the tree came down and asked his friend on the ground, "Friend, what did the bear tell you?" The other friend replied, "The bear told me not to believe a false friend." What's the moral of the story? Being in new surroundings with a new set of friends is indeed exciting if you're a student. But beware of the people who are just posing as your friend. In the same way, you have to be supportive of your friends and stand by them in any situation.